All right, this is how to properly stain a slide. I recommend using a forceps like this so you don't get your fingers stained with the material. So we start out with the fixative agent, and we will dip it like this several times so it coats the slide over the blood smear. And it's about 15 seconds per dye. And then we'll go straight into the next. And again, I will dip it in and out of the material like this to make sure that it is coating the blood evenly.
Does Sadie still have like her catheter in and stuff like that?
And one more time.
Okay. Is she doing okay?
Yeah, she's doing okay. We put Lily on the dress. We put banding on, we removed banding.
Oh, on her.
Yeah. On her catheter. Yeah.
And now you'll want to rinse the slide. First I'll just dab it on the towel. And you can use tap water at a very slow drip or a bottle like this which has distilled water. It's both fine. And then you just want a very gentle stream on both sides of the slide until the water that's running off of it is relatively clear. And then you just want to place the slide somewhere where it can dry on its own until you're ready to read it.